Vanakkam, this is Chandralekha, Assistant Professor from Department of Mechatronics Engineering, K.S.Rangasamy College of Technology. Today we are going to see about a topic on fire under the course Industrial Safety Engineering. The contents we are going to see under this topic is what is fire, the definition, fire triangle, fire tetrahedron, and the principles of extinguishing fire. So before going into the definition, there are 5 universal elements. Fire is one among them. So fire is generally a combustion process that liberates heat, light and sound. And as it is a combustion process, it is an exothermic reaction. So we'll just see what is fire triangle. For a fire to occur, we need 3 essential elements. One is fuel, another one is heat and oxygen. So these 3 components, it is very vital and it is very essential for a fire to occur. And we have an hidden element also that is called as chain reaction. So that we refer as fire tetrahedron or fire pyramid. So added with this fuel, heat and oxygen, we have a chain reaction which will be uninterrupted and which cannot be uninhibited, which is uninhibited, so that the chain reaction cannot be break up, thereby just adding fuel to the fire. This chain reaction actually adds fuel to the fire and it continues or it makes the fire to burn continuously. If it is in the fire triangle stage, say for example, if it is only between fuel, heat and oxygen, there are many chances to put off the fire. But whereas when the fire aggravates to the fire pyramid stage or fire tetrahedron stage, those chain reaction that will continue to burn and that will develop fire, which is very difficult for the firefighting crew to put off the fire. Next, we'll see the classes of fire. So what are the classes of fire? There are 5 classes of fire: Class A, Class B, Class C, Class D and Class K as per NFPA regulations. So Class A fire is nothing but flammable solids where the fire is in ordinary combustible materials such as wood, cloth, paper, rubber and sometimes plastics. Class B fire focuses on flammable liquids and flammable gases. So flammable liquids are nothing but petroleum, oil, kerosene, high-speed diesel, solvents, paints, etc. Whereas flammable gases, you can just refer to propane, butane. And Class C fire is mainly electrical fires. So these sort of fires, they involve energized electrical equipments or else fire in the electrical components. Class D fire is often referred as metallic fire, where fires in combustible metals such as magnesium, titanium, zirconium, sodium, lithium, potassium and aluminum as well. The final one is Class K fire. This is fire in cooking appliances that involves combustible cooking medium, maybe like animal fire, animal oil or vegetable oil and fats. So in short, this class of fire can be called as Class A fire, fire in flammable solids; Class B fire, fire by flammable liquids and flammable gases; Class C fire is electrical fire; Class D fire is metallic fire; and Class K fire is cooking oil fire. So how this heat, that fire is transferred from one place to another place? Already we have studied in our earlier days in school, this heat transfer occurs in 3 mediums. One is conduction, another one is convection and radiation. So this is how the heat transfers from one place to another place. So how this fire can be put off? How this fire can be extinguished? Already we have seen in the earlier slides that fire needs 3 vital elements: fuel, heat and oxygen. So these 3 elements or these 3 components that makes the fire occur. So in order to put off the fire or extinguish the fire, what we have to do is we have to remove either one component. Either we have to remove fuel or oxygen or heat. This is what the firefighting crew or fire tender or every fire extinguisher does on putting off the fire or fighting against this thing. So removal of fuel, this is termed as starvation. Removal of oxygen is termed as blanketing and removal of heat is termed as cooling. So I repeat, principles of fire extinguishing is nothing but starvation, blanketing and cooling, where either we will be removing one of the component, either fuel or else oxygen or else heat. So in this way we can put off the fire easily. Thanks for watching. See you in the next module.